is the Saginaw Lake Public Landing off of Moose Pond Drive. It is starting to look like open water season is coming.
Seagull Lake, Easter Sunday, April 20th, April 21st. We've got a little ways to go, that's for sure. But it's good to see those big dark pockets forming out there. Well ahead of last year. But it will be May when this lake is fully open. Gunflint Lake, where the Cross River flows in, and it's broken open quite a bit here, but you could still snowmobile right down the lake if you wanted to. That's that ice has got a ways to go, and it's gonna be May for this lake too, for sure. Oh, we have lost a lot of ice.
Not really ice either, it's just like whatever this is.
Snot. "17 inches of ice?"
Yep.
But most of it's just goop.
It's all goop. Like it never hit resistance.
Shower house update. More progress is being made. Well, we'll see if it's light enough to see, but this is a shower room with the cedar paneling and pine ceiling. And we'll see if you can film in here with the door closed, but there'll be some shelves over here, a little bench down there. That is the fresh air intake, because there's quite the ventilation system for these showers. And it won't be too long and we'll be up and running.